Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this opportunity, I will be guiding you on how to add a sticky note activity with no grade. In order to do so, let's go and visit my course. So in here, I already have this format in which I am asking the students to write about their concerns and expectations on becoming a translator. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this opportunity, I will guide you on how to add a sticky note activity with no grade. So let's go back to my course, and in here I will look for the activities section. I'll click on add an activity or resource. I click on activities and I look for a I will looking for a sticky notes. It's right here. I click on it, I select it, and the students will be discussing about their concerns and expectations about becoming a translator, right? So I will write a description here, and I have something on this document. Let's see. This occasion, I am asking them to use 2 sticky notes in which they will share their concerns and expectations about becoming a translator. I will add some color to my message. Okay, these are the ones that I've been using. I will use this one. Let's see how it looks. Well, it doesn't look really nice, but I can add this highlighter. Maybe this one. Okay, I will apply it. Oh, it looks better. Okay, notes settings. I mean, there's a limit. Notes per user. I said in the previous in the direction at least 2, but I won't set any limit. If they want to keep on writing, that's gonna be okay. I am not sure about selecting these show authors because some students might be shy at seeing their names and what they wrote. So I will not expose their names. Students can move any notes. No, I won't select this one. And I think these ones are going to remain in this with this option. I won't change anything. Votes settings, I mean, vote type is like the students can click on like, but I think I won't choose that one. Color settings, I mean, I'm okay with those colors. I have no problem. Common module settings, no, I won't do anything. Anyways, I will return and save and return to the course. Let's see how it looks. Concerns and expectations. What I notice here is that I will write title 1. I mean, I think you can do different titles here. Concerns and expectations. Let's see how it works. Concerns and expectations. Ooh, really 20 characters? Okay, so you write just a concerns, I think. Concerns. You save it. That's how it looks. And because I wanna write it here. I wanna leave it here. Concerns, but I don't know why. And expectations. It keep on. Okay, concerns. We're just concerns. And then the students will write their concerns there. I think I can add another one here. Oh yeah. So expectations. I'm gonna save it. All right. So, and the students will come and click here, and they will just select the color they want. So, for example, one concern is not giving correct translations. That would be one concern, right? I'm gonna save it, and this is the first one. Then they can continue writing here their expectation, right? So this is I will adjust an expectation. The message will be imagine that they work in abroad. That's an expectation, right? Working abroad. And I'm gonna assign that color. I'm gonna save it. So this is how it's gonna look. The students are gonna write their concerns and expectations about becoming a translator. So that's all about adding a sticky note. Thank you so much for having watched this video.